Jolly person, well it's me. Tantalizing eyes, well it's me again. Looking for a PBB housemate? Don't look around because in front of you is Norbelin Bautista Garrett. 20 years of age, aka North Ganda of Makasoy, Binalones, Pangasinan. I'm currently taking a Bachelor of Arts in Political Science in St. Louis University, Baguio City. Sabi nila, hindi ka tuloy nagmahal kung hindi ka masasaktan. Sabi ko naman, if it doesn't hurt, it isn't love. Kuya, parehas lang yun. Try mo ulit na panoorin, magiging parehas yun. Well, kuya, bakit ako karapat-dapat? Kasi naniniwala ako that I can be any housemate that kuya want me to be. It's to disappointment. Pero naniniwala ako, nag-expect talaga ako, kuya, na makukuha ko bilang isang PBB housemate. Thank you. See you soon, kuya.